As a student learner coming into the MDS program, I really did not know what to expect and quite frankly was unsure of my learning style. I had not attended college in more than 15 years and had never taken an online course. Entering the MDS program, I was worried that I had nothing interesting to say, and I wrote and rewrote every discussion board post over and over, trying to sound intelligent and interesting. I felt that I lacked the confidence compared to other students, and group projects terrified me because I feared that I wouldn't be able to pull my own weight. I had never even used a Google document before, and I felt that on top of the coursework, I still had a lot of catching up to do to be a good online student. My aha moment happened in the Nampa High School library when I met Michelle Steffens. This was just a few weeks before summer term began, and the Nampa School District had invited local colleges and universities to come and talk to paraprofessionals and substitute teachers about furthering their education. I was working as a part-time paraprofessional in the Nampa School District, so I decided to go to the meeting. I was unsure if my college credits would still count since I had first attended college back in 1999. So to prepare, I printed my transcript and I took it with me to the meeting. I first talked with the education department at Boise State, where they informed me the only classes that would count if I entered their program were English 101 and English 102. I felt devastated, but I figured that might be the case. They directed me to visit the MDS table. I didn't even know what MDS stood for and was unsure. However, the people at the table looked friendly and invited me over, and I began to chat with Michelle. She was very impressed with my transcript and let me know that most, if not all, my credits would be accepted, and I was not that far off from graduating. We exchanged contact information, and she emailed me the necessary information and helped me apply for college. I was accepted, enrolled, and started classes all within a few weeks. It was a whirlwind. I could not believe I was only 12 classes away from having my degree. She got me set up with a great academic advisor, Amanda Ryan, who answered every question that I had and was very patient with me. I felt like the timeline was perfect because it didn't give me a chance to back out. I learned to never give up on your goals. I had always wanted to graduate from college and hoped that one day I'd be able to find a way to finish. When I learned about the MDS degree, the program, and the flexibility of online school, I was able to see there was a way for me to finish my degree without having to start over. The second experience that I had that really stands out to me is with Amy Davis, who was my professor in my leadership capstone project class. I love the leadership classes. They've been my favorite courses that I've taken so far in college. I think the leadership classes offer a great understanding of leadership as well as support opportunities to put leadership into action. I love that I got to learn things that interested me personally while working on improving myself as a leader. When I finished my capstone project, the comment made to me by Amy Davis in the grading section was praise. She praised me, and the comment she said was that she felt like we were two friends talking about a project on the quad. She loved it, which was why I thought her comments were so cool. Since I've never had a professor comment like that, it was meaningful to me because it showed me that Amy Davis understood me and was relating to the voice I was using. I did well on my project, and I was thankful for her guidance and encouragement throughout the course. The third experience that happened that really shaped my experience in the MDS degree was the first week in the capstone project class with Dr. Michelle Bennett. I was overwhelmed at thinking of selecting a project and emailed Michelle some of my ideas. One project I sheepishly included was writing a children's book. This is something I had always wanted to do. Michelle emailed back, "Write the book." I immediately began to stress about illustrations, publishing the book, and thinking I needed to finish this all before the end of summer. Once again, Michelle said, "Write the book," but included, "That's enough." Finding an illustrator and figuring out publishing will happen. Most likely it'll be post-graduation. I'm writing a book, and that is enough for now. And I could not be more excited. This experience taught me to slow down and just focus on the first part of my goal, take things step by step. The process of developing a project through integrative thinking has been challenging but rewarding. As I'm getting ready to graduate the MDS program, I think back to my first conversation with Michelle and then visiting with Amanda Ryan. I feel that because of them, they were able to launch me into this 15-month journey of finishing my degree. And without their guidance, I probably would have been too scared to take that first step. And now, as I come closer to graduation, I feel that I've become a more assertive learner. I feel that the comments I make on class discussion boards and during group projects have been relevant and useful. I feel that I have found my voice and I've enjoyed being able to express myself through assignments and projects. This is important because the confidence that I've gained along with the experiences I've had in my classes have allowed me to find my personal leadership style and give me the opportunity to try new things and find my voice. I hope to continue to use that voice to better myself, my family, and my community.